Hi, I'm down here by the ocean and I will do an experiment. I'm curious how much noise is there down here. So let's see. It's about 45 decibels down here from the waves in the ocean and the wind blowing on the water. And you know what? It's not annoying at all. 45 dB, if it were inside a building, you would be pretty disturbed, I believe. But down here, it's not a problem. This is a bit interesting because down here, this noise, it belongs here. And the character of the noise, it's pretty much similar to when you have a ventilation installation that is making way too much noise. But not here. Same sound, different context, everybody is happy. Strange, isn't it?